In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clips in DaVinci Resolve. We will walk through each step slowly so you can follow along without feeling rushed. Go to the Edit page. At the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, look for the row of page icons and choose the one labeled Edit. When you are on the Edit page, you should see the timeline area at the bottom, the preview viewer at the top, and usually the media pool on the top left. If your screen suddenly looks more complex, with tracks and playhead controls, that is a good sign you are in the right place. The Edit page is where you actually build your video by placing clips in order on the timeline. Once you are here, you are ready to bring your footage into the project. Next, import your media into the media pool if you have not already. The media pool is the panel that shows all the video and audio files that belong to this project. Inside it, right-click in an empty space and choose the option to import media, then browse to your clips. When you confirm, your files will appear as small thumbnails or a list inside the media pool area. A helpful detail is that DaVinci Resolve does not copy the files inside the project by default, it just links to where they are on your drive, so avoid moving or renaming those files later or the links can break. If your clips now show up here, you are ready to place them in the timeline. From there, drag a clip from the media pool to the timeline. Click once on a clip thumbnail so it highlights, then hold down the mouse button and move it toward the timeline tracks at the bottom. As you drag, you will see a faint outline of the clip following the cursor, and the play headline might move to show where the clip will land. This visual feedback helps you judge timing before you even let go. Beginners often forget they can drag from either the thumbnail view or the list view. Both work exactly the same here. Once you see the outline in the correct track area, you are almost done. Now, release the clip where you want it. When you let go of the mouse, the clip drops into the timeline at that spot, and you should see a solid colored bar representing the video, and possibly the audio, on the track. If you release it at the very start, it will snap to the beginning of the timeline, which is useful for the first clip of a project. If you release it later, the clip will start exactly at that time position, leaving any empty space you see as a gap. A nice thing in DaVinci Resolve is that this placement takes effect immediately. There is no save button for the timeline layout, so when you press play, you will see the clip right away in the viewer. You have now learned how to add clips into the timeline in DaVinci Resolve, turning raw footage into the start of an actual edit. So if this helped you get your first clip placed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Resolve walkthroughs like this.